Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE finished in grey. This 2024 model comes with a diesel 2-litre D200 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large front matrix LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 20-inch diamond turned with gloss mid-silver contrasting alloy wheels. There is around 890 litres of usable boot space capacity in this car, allowing for larger luggage items and general shopping to fit in with ease. There is an adjustable parcel shelf as well as buttons for the third row of seats and a USB port there as well. The boot can also be closed automatically with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back of the car, we find the Windsor leather seats in ebony with lunar grey stitching to contrast. There are ISOFIX points located on the seats as well as a fold-down armrest which will reveal a storage tray and 2 exposed cup holders, and finally there is a rear climate control vent with 2 USB-C charging ports. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of that ebony leather on the dash and door sills and the same seats as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort on those longer journeys, and there are also electrical operations including lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the 3-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel, which does include controls on the left for the virtual cockpit and the hands-free options, and on the right for the cruise control as well as the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself does have different display options to best suit driver preference. This includes 1 dial, 2 dial and map, including driving assistance as well. The main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation, as well as radio with FM and DAB, and you can connect Bluetooth to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. And by pressing the camera icon in the bottom left, we can bring up the rear parking view cameras. Below that are 2 USB-C charging ports and a pad to hold your phone, and there is a retractable cover tray here as well. Behind the centre console are 2 exposed cup holders, and the leather-wrapped armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket inside with another USB-C charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE. For more information, please do get in touch with our sales team now.